What happens when you have too many ones? I'm Marie from This Child Can, and today we are going to swap 10 ones for 1 10, like a clever little maths trick. Okay, so I've got 46 biscuits and I want to add another 27 biscuits. It's a lot of biscuits, isn't it? What I'm going to do first is I'm going to partition my 46 into its tens and ones. So I've got 4 tens over here and 6 ones over here. That makes 46. Over here, I've got 27 biscuits that I've partitioned into 2 tens and 7 ones. That makes 27. So now what I'm going to do is to group together the tens on one side and the ones on the other side. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens. And if I put together 6 ones and 7 ones, then altogether I have 13 ones. But the problem is 13 ones is too many because it's gone over 10. If it goes over 10, it means I can take some of those ones and turn them into a 10. And that's called exchanging. Okay, that word looks like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to exchange some of my ones for another 10. And it looks a little bit like this. So I had 6 tens and I had 13 ones. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn 10 of those ones into a 10. Okay, like this. There we go. So that's 10 ones. And as you can see down here, I had 6 tens and now I've added a 7th 10 by turning those 10 ones into a 10. And then you can see I've got 1, 2, 3 left over, and there they are there. So 6 tens and 13 ones can be exchanged for 7 tens and 3 ones. And when you put those back together, you get 73. Perfect. But this is a lot of drawing and writing. I wonder if there's a quicker way.